You want hold? I got your hold right here. Gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to the incredible new product that we have developed at Pete and Pedro. It is called Freeze, because that's exactly what it does. When you set it and forget it, you give yourself a little bit of that action, your hair isn't moving all day long. The way that you use it, style your hair like normal, right? Most of you are going to be using still a pre-styler, possibly another styling aid, like a putty, a pomade, a clay, whatever your flavor and favorite hair product is. Style your hair, and once it's perfect and you're ready to lock it, then you grab your Freeze, all right? The way that you use it, you're going to cover your forehead and your eyes because you don't want to get hairspray on your forehead. That is one of the things that can cause breakouts if you're susceptible, all right? Cover your forehead, cover your eyes, and then just about a foot away, just give it a few of those, let it dry, and in a matter of seconds, your hair is frozen.